Welcome to the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025, an extraordinary spiritual gathering that stands as a testament to faith, culture, and humanity. This isn't merely an event, it is a profound convergence where millions come together to seek blessings, share stories, and immerse themselves in spirituality. This year is particularly special. It marks a celestial alignment that occurs once in 144 years. Join us on this extraordinary journey as we explore the rich tapestry of history, spiritual chronicles, and human connection that defines this monumental event in Prayagraj. The origins of the Kumbh Mela are steeped in ancient divine Hindu chronicles. Picture this, the Samudra Manthan, or churning of the ocean, a cosmic event where gods and demons unite in a quest for Amrit, the nectar of immortality. As they churned the ocean, a fierce battle ensued, leading to drops of this divine nectar spilling onto earth at 4 sacred locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These sites transformed into sanctuaries of spirituality, where millions gather to cleanse their souls and seek divine blessings. Among these sacred sites, Prayagraj, the Triveni Sangam, stands as the heart of this cosmic drama. The Kumbh Mela has evolved significantly over centuries. From its humble beginnings as small gatherings along riverbanks to its current status as a global phenomenon attracting millions, the journey reflects changes in society's spiritual landscape. The first recorded Kumbh Mela took place in 200 BCE according to historical texts. Over time it has become a melting pot for diverse cultures and traditions. Each location, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik, holds unique significance within Hindu cosmology. Haridwar is known for its ghats where pilgrims bathe under sacred skies. Ujjain hosts Mahakaleshwar temple revered by devotees. Nashik stands out with its vineyards juxtaposed against spiritual fervor. Together they create an intricate web connecting devotees across India. Water holds profound significance in Hinduism. It symbolizes purity and life itself. The act of bathing in these sacred waters during Kumbh Mela is believed to wash away sins accumulated over lifetimes. For many pilgrims, it represents rebirth, a chance to start anew free from past burdens. The Triveni Sangam is not just a geographical confluence, but also embodies spiritual unity. Music forms an integral part of the Kumbh experience. From soulful bhajans sung by devotees gathered around fires at night, to lively folk performances echoing through crowded lanes during daybreak, each note resonates deeply within hearts, creating an atmosphere filled with joy and reverence. The Maha Kumbh Mela transcends borders. It invites people from around the globe to experience Indian culture firsthand. Visitors engage with locals learning traditional dance forms or participating in rituals, fostering cross-cultural connections that enrich everyone involved. Listen closely as we delve deeper into individual stories, like Aditi, who traveled thousands of miles seeking closure after losing her mother, or Vikram, who finds solace amidst chaos, hoping his prayers will heal his family's struggles back home. A pilgrimage is more than just a journey. It embodies transformation. Every step taken towards Triveni Sangam signifies shedding old layers, embracing newfound perspectives, guiding individuals closer towards enlightenment. As devotion flourishes, so does awareness towards environmental sustainability. Initiatives promoting waste segregation are implemented alongside campaigns encouraging visitors to minimize plastic usage, ensuring that nature remains untainted by human footprints even amidst such grandeur. In this age where technology meets tradition, preparations for Maha Kumbh Mela include state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring safety without compromising spiritual essence. Mobile apps provide real-time updates on crowd density, while drones capture breathtaking aerial views showcasing this grand spectacle from above. For local communities surrounding Prayagraj, the Kumbh Mela brings economic opportunities alongside cultural enrichment. Small businesses thrive catering food stalls, while artisans showcase their crafts, attracting visitors eager to take home a piece of this vibrant culture. The beauty of Maha Kumbh Mela lies not only within Hindu traditions, but also its embrace towards spirituality across different faiths. People from diverse backgrounds come together, celebrating unity amidst diversity, a reminder that while paths may differ, our ultimate destination remains shared. Rituals form the backbone of Kumbh Mela, from lighting diyas or lamps at dusk symbolizing hope to performing homas or fire rituals, invoking divine blessings. The air thickens with spirituality as devotees engage wholeheartedly, immersing themselves into these time-honored practices. Every pilgrim has a story, a reason that brings them here amidst millions seeking solace or enlightenment. Meet Priya from Mumbai, who shares how her grandmother instilled values rooted deep within her family traditions. Or Rajesh from Canada, who seeks spiritual awakening after years spent chasing material success. Each narrative adds depth to our understanding of what this gathering means beyond mere ritualistic practices. Women play a pivotal role during Maha Kumbh Mela, not only as participants but also as leaders within their communities. From organizing food distribution to leading prayers, they embody strength and resilience, ensuring that every voice is heard amidst this sea of humanity. The youth are increasingly taking center stage at Maha Kumbh Mela, engaging through social media campaigns promoting awareness about environmental issues while also participating actively in cultural performances. They symbolize hope for future generations, ensuring traditions continue thriving even amidst modernity. Health services are paramount during such large gatherings. Medical camps equipped with doctors and volunteers provide assistance ensuring safety, while educating attendees about health practices, especially crucial amidst ongoing global health concerns. The global perspective on Maha Kumbh Mela is one filled with curiosity and reverence. Visitors from all walks of life come together sharing insights about their own cultures while learning about India's rich spiritual heritage, creating bonds that transcend borders. Sustainability takes center stage at Maha Kumbh Mela. Initiatives like solar-powered lighting systems, and biodegradable materials for food stalls reflect a commitment towards preserving nature while honoring tradition, a vital step forward as we navigate contemporary challenges facing our planet. The Maha Kumbh Mela is not just about spirituality, it's also a vibrant showcase of India's artistic heritage. Artisans from across the country display their crafts, from intricate pottery to hand-woven textiles, offering visitors unique souvenirs that carry stories woven into each piece. Food plays an integral role during this gathering. Traditional Indian dishes, from spicy khichdi served with ghee to sweet jalebi, are served at countless stalls around Prayagraj. The flavors tell stories. Each bite connects you further to this vibrant culture. Vendors proudly share recipes passed down through generations, while families gather around enjoying meals together amidst laughter and joy. Spiritual leaders share profound insights about faith's power to unite humanity across cultures and beliefs. In this gathering, one sage remarks, we find not just our individual paths, but also our collective journey towards enlightenment. Their words inspire countless souls seeking guidance amidst life's chaos. The connections formed during Maha Kumbh Mela are profound. As pilgrims gather around campfires sharing stories under starlit skies, they forge friendships that transcend geographical boundaries, reminding us all that we are part of something greater than ourselves. The Maha Kumbh Mela 2025 stands as a beacon, a reminder that faith transcends boundaries, uniting humanity through shared beliefs while celebrating diversity. Whether you come as a pilgrim or an observer, Prayagraj opens its arms, welcoming you into its embrace, offering an experience like no other, a journey beyond time itself. Experience Maha Kumbh Mela 2025, a journey beyond time. For more information on attending or volunteering, visit the official website kumbh.gov.in or find more info in the description below. Join this divine timeless journey.